Hey guys, Tony here. So there are a lot of misconceptions about Shiba Inu and where people think the price is actually going and stuff, and what certain catalysts people think about, like Amazon accepting Shiba Inu, or Tesla accepting Shiba Inu, or AMC accepting Shiba Inu, or Robinhood, listing Shiba Inu. And if you want to hear me talk a little bit more about Robinhood and why they're not listing Shiba Inu, and it's why it's kind of common sense that they're not listing it right now, watch my previous video. But I gotta come out and clear say it, because there's a lot of videos that are saying that, oh yeah, upcoming catalyst is Shiba Inu is going to be accepted by Tesla and Amazon. I mean, how, what I mean? It's one of those things where people don't really, it's hard to have common sense, right? Like how is it so difficult to come to a conclusion that the more likely probability is that Amazon and Tesla are not going to accept Shiba Inu? Like, it makes absolutely no sense for Tesla to accept Shiba Inu. It makes no sense for Amazon to accept Shiba Inu. AMC, I can see accepting Shiba Inu because they're like a fucking meme stock anyways, and they're already accepting Doggy. But so if anything, I see AMC accepting Shiba Inu, but that's bad. Like, I wouldn't want AMC to accept Shiba Inu. Then it's just kind of like stay there and stay stagnant. That's just kind of more proof that you have a low tier company like AMC accepting Shiba Inu and Doggy that no one really cares about, right? Like, it's all marketing. It's all a marketing ploy from AMC. The fact that they're accepting these like meme coins and stuff, right? I'd get Bitcoin. I'd understand something like a Matic. I would understand ADA, something like, I don't know, something that's not like a meme coin, right? I'd understand them accepting obviously Bitcoin as well as other more, how would you call it, credible cryptos. But the fact that the fact that people are saying that a real upcoming catalyst for Shiba Inu is that possibly Amazon and Tesla are going to be accepting Shiba Inu, that's it just sounds like pure stupidity to me, right? And it's one of those things, like, it does not make sense from a business standpoint to accept Shiba Inu, just the same exact way that it does not make any sense for Robinhood to accept Shiba Inu, right? Because then they're going to go through the same thing like what happened with Doggy. They're going to see a really good quarter or two, from trading and high volume, and then all that crap is going to die down, and then they're going to get flack for it the next quarter when their earnings come down like 70-80% lower than they were the last 2 quarters, right? Robinhood doesn't want that. Robinhood doesn't want to get a bunch of crap from their investors about, hey, one of your quarters was doing extremely well because of Shiba Inu, but what happened? You just dropped 50, 60, 70% revenue, and your only answer is, well, I mean, Shiba Inu is not as popular anymore, right? So Robinhood doesn't want that. As a business standpoint, why would they accept Shiba Inu? It makes absolutely no sense, especially when they already have Doggy and they're basically making competition for Doggy when they list Shiba Inu. And I don't want to say it's bad competition, because I think it would be relatively good competition. I think that they would not necessarily trade in tandem, but they would kind of be a little bit of a opposing trade, where sometimes Doggy pumps, sometimes Shiba pumps, and then you have like 2 different meme cryptos pumping at different times, which would possibly be consistent revenue for consistent trading revenue or transaction trading revenue for Robinhood. But this video is really just to address the fact that people actually think that Tesla or Amazon are going to be accepting Shiba Inu anytime soon, or that by you guys filling out some sort of survey online and signing a petition saying, hey, Amazon, accept Shiba Inu as payment, or hey, Tesla, we have 500,000 signatures, accept Shiba Inu as payment. Do you guys really think that Tesla cares about those signatures? Do you guys really think that Amazon cares about those signatures? They care about their own they care about their own demographic. Just because you can sign a petition does not mean that you can afford a $100,000 Tesla, right? Just because you sign a petition for Amazon saying to accept Shiba Inu as payment does not mean that you're going to start using Shiba Inu as like payment, right? Every single time that you spend Shiba Inu, you're burning 100 coins just like that. So not only do you need to take into consideration the transaction fee, but also the burn rate that happens every single time. Why would anybody accept a currency that is constantly burned like that and you're constantly losing money, right? the higher the price that Shiba Inu gets, you're going to be losing a lot more money. So if you're making a transaction with Shiba Inu at, let's say one day it's worth 1 cent, right? If you make a transaction with Shiba Inu while it's actually 1 cent, that means that every single time you make a transaction, you're losing $1 for no reason whatsoever, other than it's just a burn rate. It's just a thing that it has, right? It's a feature. So this whole thing about people saying that, Tesla and Amazon are going to accept Shiba Inu is like the dumbest thing I've ever heard in my entire life. They are not going to accept Shiba Inu, and the burn rate does not help it, right? It's common sense. Also, Tesla accepting Bitcoin is more than likely going to happen again, maybe in the future. Tesla accepting Doggy is probably going to be a bigger probability than them accepting Shiba Inu. So it makes absolutely no sense for Tesla or Amazon to accept Shiba Inu. It's like the dumbest thing that like people are talking about, and it's super obvious to see how everybody talking about like big companies accepting Shiba Inu are either extremely new investors or they have no idea how a business is run. And I'll just leave it at that. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.